It's your boy. Hey. I amazed myself with the level of cringe already in the first few seconds of this video. So, we're here in bumfuck nowhere. I've got this flashy thing here that says fuel. Don't know what that means, don't speak French. But as we're out, I'm going to get some petrol. I did some maintenance on my bike this morning. I know. I do as much maintenance as I do cleaning of motorcycles, which is a nice round number. But yeah, just adjusted that floppy chain issue. Seems to be okay. I've done like 5 miles and I'm not dead yet, and the wheel hasn't fallen off. So this is probably 100% better than any repair I've ever done to a motorcycle ever. Hey, who knows? Just a short one today, maybe a longer one tomorrow. But I feel like I need a reward. You know, for actually getting these cake grabbers dirty. When in Rome, what a shithole. Oh, the bike should get a treat as well. Let's get it. Let's get some clean water on it. You know, I could have done this. Stay there, love, that's fine. You know, I should have really done this before I adjusted the chain, but no, I couldn't do it because of the chain. Science, Matthew, science. You see this grill here though? That doesn't make it easy for the bikers. This is one weak ass jet wash. The foam. Foaming lance my arse. Yeah, if you have to get this close with your jet wash, go somewhere else. That is Dobbins. Yeah, so this is the new jet wash at Morrison's. See? God, that thinks I'm fucking mental. Yeah, don't come here. It's absolutely rubbish. Man, I had the jet wash directly against the seat, and it's still dirty. I mean, I could have used the brush, but the amount of shit all over the floor, the brush is dirtier than the bike. Oh, if I go in front, you'll be able to get round me, won't you? Sweet. In. That's your home. Are you too good for your home? From flashing fuel light to full, 10.48 litres. Which is worse for your bike, ladies and gentlemen? Is it Morrison's slop fuel or Asda slop fuel? we're in Queenborough, let's check out the Lunar Cat. Yeah, so that was terribly disappointing. I get in there and there's a sign on the bar that says cash. I haven't got any cash on me, and there's not a cash machine I can see from here. So yeah, no food yet. I know I can be quite derogatory about my local area, but it's all tongue-in-cheek. There's some rough parts, there's some nice parts, there's a lot of nice countryside. So anything I say really is in jest. Who am I to judge? Remove the beam from your own eye before you remove the mote from your brother's. Cool. Appleby & Sons Motorcycles. Now this looks like the kind of place that I need to support with my business. Run down little building. Looks like a family place trying to make a living. If any... Stop pushing that button, you fat bastard. If there's any way to support your local businesses, well, try them once. If they're any good, or they're good people, ideally a combination of both, then go back again. Give everyone a chance. If you go there and the right button shit hawks, let the cunts close down. But do your best for your local community, boys and girls. Brother! Miserable bastard! What have we spied here? Ew. I'm loving it already. I'm gonna park. Right, I'm gonna drive through a lot more shitty mud. That's what I'm gonna do. Do you remember I washed the bike? What's the fucking point? Bonky bonky. Ah, cash only. There's two signs on the door. Cash only, cash only. I haven't got any cash on me, that's the problem. Twice denied. What? We're deep in the heart of it now, boys. Deep in the heart of it. Oh. This is not the way. This is not the way. Come on, X. Oh, lumpy. Oh my God. So we're in Rose Street car park, opposite the toilets. Gangster. Into the heart of the beast. And there's this boy. Let's give this place a try.
Arizona Diner, open in the mornings, decent menu, steak for breakfast. Steak for fucking breakfast, brother, sister, yes. This was gorgeous. Everything apart from the peas and the sauce. Mwah, the chef's kiss.
Honestly, that was a great breakfast. I mean, nothing about it was particularly perfect, but the steak, that was perfectly cooked in all fairness. And they said peppercorn sauce, and it came in like a gravy bowl, but it was more like a creamy, chopped oniony. Oh, it was gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So we're by the sea. Let's go have a look at the sea. Forgive the puffing and panting and the random oinking noises. We're on legs. Yeah, so if you're actually really interested in this place, rather than just listen to my verbal diarrhea, check out this guy's video on YouTube. Give you the QR code there. I'll post a picture of it too. But yeah, that gives you a fantastic overview of what you're seeing here. And more. I'm just here for the lulz. When you work as I do on a busy construction site, you're trapped into timescales, schedules, work. You're sitting abreast a massive diesel engine. It's all just fumes and noise and push, push, push. So I'm just taking a minute to step back and watch the sea and look at things from antiquity. It's so nourishing for me. Interesting old buildings and gun emplacements. As I say, refer to the video and the QR code about the forts. I mean, I wish I could go around there and have a wander, have an explore, but that's what all the fencing's for. It's to keep wombles like me away and destroying everything with my big feet. Glorious. Another lovely part of the world. I mean, it's sound advice. You don't have to listen, but you've been warned. Another piece of unnecessarily beautiful stonework. Just randomly here by the coast. Such simple beauty. Oh. If you come here at midnight, I'm pretty sure that's an entrance to somewhere in the under. that's far enough for today. Let me go back and carry on with a myriad of other things I have to do at the weekends. Here's a quick life hack for people, especially if you're as stupid as I am. Do remember, if you're walking somewhere and you're not walking in a circle, you got to walk back. True. I mean, you don't have to. You can lay upon the floor like a seal pup and expire, but if you want to go home, you got to walk back. That's my outro. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.